guys, welcome to this operating system. It's built with the ISO of May or installed, and the topic of the video is actually, well, it's dolphin in a sense. As in Thunar, we have the right mouse click and then you can set something. And we've added some things here like compare using melt and open Thunar as root, just things that we'd like to have, and you can easily remove them with a package, well, removal of a package. But the thing is, what if I wanted to open terminal here, but not dolphin? Not console, but alacritty, right? So that's a question that's now going on Telegram, and I guess I have not made a video about it yet. So first of all, think about this as a tool, Dolphin, to install so much more, right? So much more. So in the configure Dolphin, I think, in the context menu, that's where you need to look at this. Where we're talking about the context menu, right mouse click. So if you see some things in here you'd like to have, please, right? Just a click away. But there is more. Download new services. I have no clue. Well, whatever you want to have a look, type, search, and see what works, because this is again created by people who have free time, do it for free. But yeah, we've got the Plasma 6 and then later on a 7 and an 8, and they have to keep up, and maybe it will not work. But here is indeed an open alacritty install. And then we can close this one. Open alacritty here, so that's the one. Apply, okay, voila, right mouse click, open alacritty here. Solved. The more technical bit is what the other way I would do it, but probably more technical, right? Is have a look what are the dolphin settings. They are in here, right? But as you see, not the way. That's not the way to go forward. There is a folder somewhere here, I think, service menus. There he is, right? That's the thing that was added. That's all. So let's have a look. We have here information, alacritty. So if something is not okay, if there's a typo, go change this thing. Or Chinese is not good, or Taiwanese is not good, right? This is where you change these things. And that's basically it. A .desktop in Kio in service menus, compare using melt, open Thunar as root. Here they all are. Right mouse click, open terminal here, alacritty, open Thunar as root. And if there is a PNG and right mouse click, you get a convert to GPG. So this is the coming from our service, well, from our package, right, from ArcoLinux. So this would be the best bet, is creating probably this. Yeah, right? Why make it more difficult if it is already just installable? Just a click and it's away. But here it is. Have fun with Plasma. Cheers.